Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these gorgeous curly crochet braids. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching.
Shorty bad, slim, big, she might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the bridge. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't treat.
So I'm starting off with my hair comb rolled all the way to the back. And the hair I'm using today is the Lulutress Wet Curly in 18 inch. And I'm going to be using the Freetress Water Wave in 22 inches. Next, you're going to want to get your crochet needle, some edge control. I'm using the Creme of Nature Extra Hold Edge Control. You're going to want some braid spray, some hairspray, and a spray bottle filled with water and conditioner. So now I'm just getting the hair ready, and this is how the hair looks out of the package. It's very soft. It doesn't have any tangles when I run my fingers through it. But we're going to use that spray bottle to smooth everything out to get rid of any frizz that the hair might have once you start separating it. So next you're going to want to grab a piece of that crochet hair, and now we're going to start crocheting. I put it in slow motion so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So you're just going to bring the hook through the cornrow, tie it together. And I tied it about 4 or 5 times because this hair is kind of loose and you don't want it to slip out. So just make sure it's extra tight and then just pull it through, and there you go. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to put the crochet needle through the cornrow, attach that crochet braid and pull it through. You're going to open up the crochet braid and tie it together about 4 or 5 times until it's extra secure, and then tighten it. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Just take your time and use small pieces. You don't want the crochet braids to be too bulky. Okay, so now I'm just going to speed this up. So I'm basically just putting small pieces all over the front portion of my head first to cover each cornrow. I like to do the front first so I can take my time, because usually the back is where I like to put in the big pieces. So it's usually quicker for me. I don't have to be as careful when I'm doing the back as I have to when I'm doing the front of my head. So right here is when I noticed the side was looking a little thin. So now I'm just going to go through and put more hair in between the cornrows to make it fuller. I'm done with the front. Now it's time to start on the back. So I'm going to put the front up. That way it's not in my way once I start crocheting the back of my hair. The back is the same process as the front. You're just gonna pull that hook through and start crocheting. In the back, I like to space out the crochet braids more because I don't want it to be too full. I want it to have that natural look. If you do the braids too close together, you're gonna come out looking like Shaka Khan, honey. And that's not the look we going for, okay? Now that I'm done crocheting all the hair in, it's time to cut and even everything out. So I'm going to be taking my scissors and cutting off those loose ends, as well as shaping the hair. So now I'm going to take my braid spray and spray that in between my scalp. This helps to loosen up the braids. That way your hair is not too tight once you get done. Now I'm going to get my spray bottle filled with water and conditioner and spray that all over my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my hydrating setting mousse and I'm going to put that all over my hair as well. These two products help to get rid of all the frizz that comes with the crochet braids and also get rid of that braided hair smell. Look how good this hair looks, y'all. I'm obsessed, okay? So now it's time to lay them edges. So I'm going to be taking my Creme of Nature edge control and I'm going to be doing my baby hairs. And the final step is to get your hairspray and spray all over your hair. And you are done. That is it for this video, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.